a serious note, guys, I gotta fill up my gas tank. I'm gonna be doing a lot of driving and stuff tomorrow. Dang, they racing over there. They really racing over there. That's crazy. Yeah, so I'm finna get gas. We empty right now. Have put some new LED lights up front and put some lights in the back. All right, let's put some good 93 in there. We'll see how much you take. All right, guys, so I did put these new lights on. Looks much cleaner now. So we spent 75. Got some nice Zaxby's. Usually on Fridays I eat out, or my girl would eat out. Normally get food on the weekdays, but got this damn Mr. Beast Feastable box. Got some funnel cake. Also got this nice lemonade. And yeah, let's I don't think she's gonna start on a dime, because if y'all remember, my key is stuck. I gotta set up an appointment sometime. As you can see, we full, but I do gotta set up an appointment at the Mercedes dealer. I really haven't been having time. Well, I can make time, but you know, yeah. Just like that, I got her cranked up, full tank of gas for tomorrow and all that. I was gonna go out of state. I'd be like, dang, I need to go out of state. But then I'd be like, you know, I'm gonna stay home or stay where I need to stay at. But I'm gonna do a job, something quick, and then spend some time with some family. Get spend some time. Ooh, that thing ain't like that. Whoa, it's going down the hill. Enter the beautiful interstate of 95. I don't know how many times I've been up and down this interstate, like being young, you know, going to Florida, South Carolina, North Carolina, all them good little places. And then, man, such a beautiful feeling. So guys, I had ordered a package, so I'm getting more LED lights for my license plate, the pod lights for the doors, just everywhere around this car. So this thing gonna be nice and white and bright. I mean, it's white and bright now, but I'm gonna get a new bulb. This one been flickering and all that. But I think I'm done with this car. Like, I'm like happy where it's at. I'm gonna leave it as is. It's something settled, something cool. Supercharger is still on my mind. I don't have the time. It's so funny because I was looking at the pictures and all that, and all the research that I saved to put a supercharger thing on here. So I got a shift kit. I don't know if y'all seen one of my shorts, but I got a shift kit for the transmission for this W210 when I bought these wheels. This car is very timeless. It drives good, it cruises. Beautiful vessel. If I see two people racing over there, they had their little Chevy trucks. Finna get off the interstate. I'm in third for the downshift real quick. Guys, this car is so fun. This car get like good attention because how settled it is. I mean, I love this car. Even though it's a V6, I see myself getting a V8. I've been looking around, so I'm planning on getting a V8. So it would be good to have a V6 and a V8, but hopefully I look into that sometime soon.